Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Okay, so I tried to film the intro, but for some reason I just couldn't speak, so here's just a montage of me as an intro. First things first is sunscreen. Sunscreens are great to protect our face from the UV rays, which apparently promotes skin aging. I know most of us are staying indoors because of this quarantine, but that shouldn't exempt us from putting sunscreen, especially if you like to spend your time outside your house, gardening, and just a reminder, wear sunscreen. Next is BB cream. This is from the brand Korea, which is known for their great skincare products. This BB cream gives a sheer coverage to your face, and I'd like to skip foundation for an everyday makeup because I think it's too heavy on the skin, and the weather here in the Philippines is so hot, plus it's humid, so the BB cream will do the job, guys. Next step is concealer. You guys, I have really bad under eyes, and I cannot forget or skip this step, or else I look like someone who haven't slept for years, which is true, but what are concealers for? So I just blend this with my fingers and my beauty blender. Just blend it and press it onto the skin. So next is powder, and for this, I just slightly powdered my face so that the dewiness will still be there while keeping the products in place, especially on the areas where I put concealer because we don't want any creasing moment. For the brows, I'm using this eyebrow powder from Celotic, which is another great product, guys. I don't know why this is so underrated. But anyway, I opted to go for a powder because I think it's more natural, I guess. To set my brows in place, I'm using a mascara for this one. It gives my brows that full brow look, and it defines my brow hairs more than the usual brow gel I use. For the bronzer, this is gonna help bring back the color into my face. I like doing this because I look less like a ghost. But yeah, I'm putting this on the parts where I want more definition, like my non-existent nose, charot, my jaw, my 5 head, and also using the same bronzer for some color into my eyes. Okay, so next step is blush. Blushes are a great way to look more fresh and youthful. And for this, I'm using this Sunny's Face blush. It blends like a dream. It's so creamy, and it blends well in the skin and looks natural as well. For highlight, I use this Vice Cosmetics highlight powder. And let me tell you guys, this is so pigmented, and it doesn't emphasize the appearance of my pores because I know some highlighters do that, but for this one, it doesn't. It just looks like your skin, but it's wet. And for the lips, I use two products. It is a tint and a lipstick. I don't like my lips to be too bright and overpowering, like pink, full-on pink, so I layered on this lipstick from Caroline, which is, guys, it's so nice. The combo of these two products is nice. Now you curl your lashes, but don't do it the way I do it, guys. Don't poke your eyes while you do this. Okay, so you just curl and curl and curl. For mascara, I'm using the Maybelline waterproof mascara, and I'm just putting it like so. For the last step, I'm gonna add just a tiny bit wing. It's an eyebrow product, but it works well. And we are done, guys. It's done. That's the last step.